In this video, I'll show you a new method on how to add both music and lyrics to your WhatsApp status without screen recording. So if you're interested in knowing how, then watch the video to the very end. And if you find this guide useful, consider giving this video a thumbs up, share and subscribe for more tricks and tips. With that being said, let's dive in. Now for you to add music to your status in your WhatsApp, you need to have an Instagram account. So if you don't have one, you can create one for yourself. Now the next step is to open your Instagram application. Then navigate to messages here at the top right corner. Now the next step is to open any chat of your friend. Then click on that camera icon here at the bottom left. So now you can choose any photo or video of your choice to add in your music. So you can get these photos or videos in Google for free. Now the next step is to click on that sticker icon here at the top. Then select or choose music. So now you can browse or choose any music of your choice. As you can see, this is the music that I've chose. Now the next step is to click on done in the top right corner. Now after doing that, the next step is to click on that download icon here at the top right corner. As you can see, it's processing. So now the video is saved to your device. Now the next step is to minimize Instagram. Then go ahead and open your WhatsApp application. Now select updates. Then click on that camera icon. Then select the video that you saved from Instagram. As you can see, this is the video, guys. Now the next step is to upload this video to your status in your WhatsApp. As you can see, you've now added music with both lyrics to your status in your WhatsApp. So if you found this guide useful, consider giving this video a thumbs up, share and subscribe to never miss any of our tricks and tips. So thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in the next one.